welcome back to another video. Today we have a Volvo C30 2007 1.8 petrol. It's a friend of mine's car, and what we're gonna do, what I am doing with it is compression test, and two of the cylinders are basically shot, which I'm going to show you in a sec. The reason we've decided to do a compression test on it is because it just runs very rough, like extremely rough when it's running. Acceleration is very poor. It's burning a lot of oil, like loads of oil, a litre a month or something like that, something stupid like that. So anyway, let's switch you around and show you what's going on. I mean, check out these spark plugs. This is number 4. That's number 3. This one's number 2. I mean, compared to the other two, much better. And this one is number 1, which is the best one out of the lot. Now, compression wise, we're plugged into number 4 at the moment, and that's the compression we have, which is about 140 psi. Now, done these two, number 1 and 2, they were around 230, 240 psi, one of each kind of thing. This one is the lowest, around 110, and this one is 140. So clearly we have problem. Most likely it's head gasket, because it is a quite high mileage car. It's around 160,000, I think. We can also dig further into it. We can do a leak down test on it and find out exactly where the issue is. But is it worth it? At this stage, I don't think it's worth it, because regardless of how you look at it, I do have a bore scope actually, so I might plug that in instead and see what happens, see what's causing the issue. But looking at those spark plugs, there's most likely a lot of carbon build up, which at the top of the pistons might have been making contact with the spark plugs, possibly. That could be the reason why the spark plugs have become the way they are. Obviously it's very low in compression on those two cylinders, 3 and 4, and that's obviously going to cause misfires and stuff. So I'm giving bad news in a minute, because he's just gone to get some spark plugs. So when he's back, he's gonna release the pressure from that. Well, there's not much I can do about it at this moment in time. Obviously he shouldn't be driving it like this, but he doesn't really have a choice, because I don't think he's got another car to drive. So he's gonna have to carry on driving it like this until we can get it sorted. That's his choice, obviously, if he wants to, but I would say that's most likely what he's going to be doing. Pain in the bum, innit? But the funny thing is, I've got a C30 too, and I've got to do the same thing on mine, compression test, and I'm like really bricking it. I'm almost 100% sure certain that one of the cylinders is shot, but mine's a 5-cylinder turbo engine versus his 1.8 NA. It's just car life, isn't it? Anyway, I'll let you know what's going to happen in a future video, or we might add it onto this video. We'll see. Right, whoop whoop.